In this video, you can learn how to publish your Google Sheets for the web, which anyone with the link can view it. So let's begin the video process. Once the Google Sheet is created with all the data, you are ready to publish for the web. This Google Sheet document has two sheets. One is revenue and the other salary. To publish Google Sheet for the web, you need to click the File tab in the toolbar. And next, move the mouse over to the Share tab and click Publish to Web. In the pop-up window, you can see there is two options. You need to select the link option. Here, you can select the entire document, or you can select a particular sheet to publish to the web. And here, you need to select Web Page as a format. And finally, click the Publish button. You will have this warning or alert window. Click OK, and continue. And done, publishing the Google Sheet as a web page link. You can share the Google Sheet document as a web page link through Gmail account, or share it in Facebook page as a web link, or any other social media pages, including your own website. To confirm the Google Sheet document has been published as a web page, we can share the link in the browser and verify it. And done successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.